Hello everyone. Now I'm back with my STB. It looks like my YouTube isn't working, so I have to figure out how. And then I try to open up YouTube. Sorry for on screen. You have to wait. Okay, you won't run unless you update Google Play services. Update it. Okay, this will work not only for STB but will also work on smart TV. Okay, we'll wait. Want to download. Okay, still installing. Be patient. I don't know why it's taking so long. I hope it will work. Take some time. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. Google Play services. It won't be open. Okay, we will back to YouTube. How the result from upgrading the Google services. Okay, this is here. Okay, that's it. Maybe some of you will wondering why my there's no Google services on my STB. How I can make Google services or how I can download it. Okay, you have to figure it out. You have to find some firmware that's uh, include Play Store in there for STB like ZTA that I'm using. This one ZTA B760H. Okay, I find this room and there is Play Store, so I tried it, so why not? Okay, thank you. I hope this helped some of you, or maybe it's just another stupid video. I hope you like it. Okay, enjoy.